Now, during the design phase where we translate those business objectives into actual technical requirements for our teams. And we can actually start looking at mitigating risk even during the design phase. Now, I typically just start with governance and oversight. And here I'd assign a clear owner to each AI agent that is deployed. And so that owner will be in charge of AI outputs and will be used for that human in the loop going forward. Now, just for your awareness, early on, this does mean that there's going to be more human oversight, but as the performance improves, then they'll only really be catching edge cases, for instance. Next is risk tiering and autonomy levels. This is where we decide what agents can do completely independently and what actually requires human in the loop. Now, for example, maybe an AI agent can auto purchase anything below $50, but anything above $50 requires a human in the loop. And you can define similar thresholds for data sensitivity or operational impact as well. But now here, if an agent is going outside of its purview, then a human who's going to step in. Next is access and permission controls. Now that we identified what the task is and we know who's going to oversee it, what is the actual data that they should be able to access? And here you should only provide access to tools and data that the agent absolutely needs. And then lastly is these ethical and safety controls as well. So if there's something specific for compliance, then that should be baked in there. But there are also other kind of company ethics that you should be doing as well. As an example, you might have an AI social media agent and make sure that it never talks about politics, for instance. And so even if an agent tries to do that, there will be a permanent block.